How are we doing, guys? So I've gone out and bought a 3 metre by 3 metre pop-up gazebo. So this is the one that I've bought, either there, somewhere. So I'll pop a link down in the description. If you're on mobile, if you just click the title, then that'll bring up the description and you'll be able to find it in there. So not only can I just use it in summer for the garden, I can use it as a little bit of a pop-up spray booth. So the bonus of the one that I've got is it's an extendable frame that folds in, but also the roof lining is fixed in. So all that you've got to attach are the sides. Absolute bargain for what it is. At the time of this recording, I've just paid about £80. Don't forget, smash like, hit subscribe, all those things really help the channel grow. And any content that you wanted to see coming up, just let me know in the comments. So yeah, check it out, little time lapse. Absolute perfect. 2 windows and 2 zip doors. If you don't get for spraying, get it ready for summer. Check it out.
To drop a dime when you already dropped a dime. Got a wife at home, but you steady on my line. Talking about shorty, you remember when I grind slow? Did I really blow your mind though? Nah, you got me confused with your other booze. I've been peep game, so I never gave a cookie up. And that's why I got your wife on the line, man. And I hope she gets every single dime.